The Monticello floor plan from First Texas Homes offers almost 4,200 square feet of space to suit your growing family's needs. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath floor plan provides stunning curb appeal with brick and stone elevation and a unique arched entryway that adds an opulent, classic feel. Gracefully arched doorways, hardwood flooring, and vaulted ceilings are the foremost characteristics of the Monticello floor plan. As you enter through the double 8-foot doors, you'll find a luxurious formal dining room, and just behind the staircase is a private study. The spacious family room with signature floor-to-ceiling fireplace leads to a gourmet kitchen and covered patio. The designer's kitchen features custom cabinets, a butler's pantry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom boasts a tray ceiling and an intimate sitting area bathed in natural light. Escape to the spa-like master bath with deep garden tub, separate shower, and dual vanities with makeup area. As you climb the elegant spiral staircase, you'll find 4 additional secondary bedrooms and 2 full baths. If you love to entertain, you'll be right at home in the game room or the optional media room that is perfect for family movie night or binging your favorite Netflix series. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Monticello plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.